Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past question 36. An aeroplane flies from a town K of latitude 47 degree north, 23 degree east, that's the longitude, to another town L of the same latitude 47 degree north with longitude 57 degree west. Find the distance between the town K and town L along the parallel of latitude to the nearest kilometer. Now take R to be equals to 6,400 kilometers, pi to be equals to 22 all over 7. So we have A 2,591, B 6,097, C 6,820, D 8,940, and E 9,610. 9,610. Now we're giving what R. We're giving R, which is the radius of the Earth, to be what 6,400 kilometers. 6,400 kilometers, which is the radius of the Earth. And we are asked to find what distance between town K and town L. Now let's represent this with what, with a diagram. Let's just draw a small diagram here. This representing the Earth. Then we have the what? The coordinates. This is the west, the east, the south, and the north. Now we're giving what? We're giving that aeroplane flies from a town K of latitude 47 degree north. So since it is 47 degree north, let's take it like this. Let's take 47 degree north to be this point here, this point, and then let's make it this way. So here is what 47 degree, and then town K is what 23 degree east. That is the longitude of town K is what 23 degree east, and since it is east, it will be around this place, town K. So let's say here is what 23 degree east. Now this is town K. This point here is town K, and here is what 23 degree east. Now we have what, so another town L. Town L is at the same latitude, this same latitude, and with longitude 57 degree west. So it will be here on the west side, 57 degree west. So this is town L. This town L with what 57 degree west. 57 degree west. Now it says find the distance between what? Between town K and L. Find the distance between town K and town L. Is theta. Okay. Now the formula to find the distance between town K and town L is given as D is equals to what? Theta. Remember I said this is the theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. 2 pi r. But now this r here is equals to the radius of the Earth, which is this capital R, multiplied by what? Cos the latitude given to us, and the latitude given to us is what? 47 degree. And so therefore we say what? D, which is the distance between town K and town L, is equals to what? Theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Now we're replacing this for this small r, open brackets, cos 47 degree. Now theta here is equal to, now since the town K is on latitude what 23 degree east, and town L is on latitude what, is on longitude, sorry, you know they're on the same latitude. Now they're on the same latitude, but town K is on longitude what 23 degree east, and town L is at longitude 57 degree west. Now because of what, the difference in the what, in the direction, that is west and east, we add what, these angles, this longitude, we add them together. So we have that theta is equals to what, 23 plus 57, and this is equals to what, 80 degree. That's because what, we have west and east, so we add them together. But if we are having east or west, we subtract. And so theta is equals to what, 80 degree, and therefore we have that D is equal to that is the distance between town K and town L, as 80 all over 360 multiplied by 2 times 22 all over 7 multiplied by 6400 times cos 47 degree. And so therefore D is equals to what? D will give us 80 all over 360 multiplied by, now 2 times 22 will give us what? 44 all over 7 multiplied by 6400 multiplied by cos 47 degree will give us 0.6820. 0.6820. Now when we carry out these calculations, that is 80 all over 360 multiply by 44 all over 7 times 6400. Now we are going to have what? Then multiply by 0.6820. This will give us an answer of, this will give us equal to 6096.86 kilometers. That's when you evaluate this now using your calculator. That is 80 over 360 times 44 over 7 times 6400 times 0.6820, which is the value for cos 47 degree. It will give us what? 6096.86 kilometers. But now the question says what? We should leave it in the nearest kilometer. And since we have what? 6096.86 kilometer, now leaving it in the nearest what? In the nearest kilometer, we have to round up, because what? The value here after the decimal is above 5, and when you have above 5, what do? You round up. So we round this up and we have what? 6097 kilometers, and that is option B, 6097 kilometers. Thank you very much. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.